Hello. Today we are making a cherry gelette. And as you can see, I already started because I thought I was recording and I wasn't. We pitted a bunch of cherries and we made a mixture. The mixture is a half teaspoon of vanilla, a quarter teaspoon of almond extract, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. That was all placed into the bowl and mixed very well. Then we used this puff pastry crust to seal it all in. And as you can tell, I have a little bit too much. And the puff pastry is not wanting to fold over. I really don't make a lot of pastries. I mostly make pies and ice cream. I'm gonna have to make ice cream one of these days soon. This looks fairly decent. Now let's make an egg wash. This is now ready to go in the oven at 400 for 35 to 40 minutes. Our cherry gelette has been in about 35 minutes and it looks ready to take out. Alright, our gelette is out of the oven and it is cool enough to eat. We are going to use some of our rum frosting, which is rum and powdered sugar, and we're going to drizzle it on. Trying not to get too much on this time. There we go, nice light sprinkling. Take out a knife and cut us a piece. Look at that good, crispy, flaky crust. Isn't that decadent? The pastry is light, airy, and crispy. And the cherries really bring home the sweetness. They bring home the flavor. A little bit dark on the bottom. It could be from my pan letting it sit there. This cast iron sat pretty hot for a while. I could have taken it out of the oven a couple minutes earlier maybe. Or maybe it was just the cast iron sitting for so long and staying hot. Either way, this is a wonderful treat and it didn't take that long to make. The longest part was pitting the cherries. I'd definitely make this again.